If you're over 60, especially if you live alone, there are three things that can protect you in an emergency. One piece of paper, one bin by the door, and one phone call. None of them cost more than $30 or take more than an hour to put into place. Let me show you exactly what they are. I'm Daniel Perryman. I spent 20 years as a hospital CEO in the United States, and I've seen what happens when seniors are not prepared for an emergency. Sometimes it's a power outage, sometimes it's a fall, sometimes it's just not being able to reach anyone. And those outcomes are almost always preventable. Number one, an emergency contact card. Write down 2 names and 2 phone numbers on a piece of paper. Keep one on your refrigerator, keep one in your wallet, not in your phone, on paper, because first responders usually go straight to the refrigerator. That's the first place they look. If you're finding this information useful, subscribe for more safety tips made especially for our age group. I also put the link to some resources below where you can learn more about this topic. Okay, number 2, a 72-hour supply kit. Water, non-perishable foods, any regular medications, and a flashlight with some fresh batteries. 1 plastic bin by the door. That's it. Not a year's worth of supplies, just 72 hours. That's the window before most emergencies resolve or help arrives. And lastly, number 3, a daily check-in system. Tell one person, a neighbor, a friend, a family member, if you don't hear from me by noon, please check on me. 30 seconds to set up, and it could be the most important call they ever make. If this was useful, I put out several videos per week, practical safety information for our age group over 60, and the people who love them. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you know somebody who lives alone, just send this to them. It only takes 10 seconds, and it might matter more than you know.